Well, the pool gods giveth, and the pool gods taketh. So, we were supposed to have a tile guy here this morning, and the one contractor was coming with the travertine and his truck, so the tile guy could get the travertine put down. The tile guy got here at, I don't know, 9:30, 10 o'clock. Contractor said he was going to be here around 10. Around 10:30, Jeff just wondered where he might be. So the tile guy called. And the contractor said, yeah, no, I'm not going to make it today. I'll be there tomorrow. And I'll bring a couple of guys and we'll get the mess cleaned up. So, Ruben, the tile guy, nice guy, was here, made some measurements, laid some stuff out. You can see this orange string and nails and all that stuff that he did today. And then he left about 12:30, 1 o'clock. And I was just back from teaching my class. So that's the update on today's pool. Maybe tomorrow we'll have a little more. PR doing her investigative work. Yeah. But then he said, we're going to clean up this mess, so we'll see. Because there is this. There is all of this concrete. Not supposed to be here. All of this concrete. Not supposed to be there. Not as much on this side. But still. A bit of concrete over here. So, oh yeah, and the swimming pool full of concrete, and the piles of concrete, kind of all over the place. I don't know, but I said I would keep you guys updated, so you're updated. We did end up with a few clouds, but nothing that's going to bring us any rain, which is okay. There it is. I can't say I feel like we're any closer to having water and being able to occupy it, but I can say that that's what's happened today. So I will, of course, be on with you tomorrow and keep you informed. In the meantime, I hope you have an amazing day. Thanks for checking in. And we'll talk to you very soon.